Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna show you how to use a tool called radare2, which is used for reversing binary file, and I have the binary file, so I'm gonna use this sample file for the demonstration of this tutorial. So let's begin. Let me just clear out the screen and use R2 for that, and here is my file name. And first of all, like Ghidra or Idea Pro, we can just analyze the binary file by doing triple A and just enter. It has analyzed it all. So if you want to know more about this, then you can do A and question mark. So it will use this. And if I do double A and question mark, so this is the symbol that I use, and what it basically does is analyze the only function and automate the function name after using AA. And once we have done that, then we can just learn about basic info. For that, we can do double I for that. So then we can do double I. From here we can learn about the compiler, and we can know the architecture. It's 64, and we can see it has not been stripped. That means we can see the function. And next command we can use is to see the import function and to export API or DLL. So for that we can do is, and this is for seeing the symbols, and for here we can see the function here object. And if you want to see this specific function that has been used like this, then we can do double I for that. So we can see the function that has been used is scanf, string length, and printf. And next one is to see the imports. For that I could just do IE for that. So here I can see the import function. So I just want to show you one more thing. If you are using this for malware analysis, I can do just not that, I could just do this. And here we can see the entropy. For that I have to use is, right? Then specify the entropy, and it should show the entropy, but right now it's not showing. It has not been encrypted, so that's why there is no mention of entropy. So after that, what we can do is to see the only function. For that we can do AFL to see the function. So here we have this imprint function, then scanf, this is a basic, and we have the string length function. So we have started from this 60. So if we want to start from main, right, so we can do C. For abbreviation is S, and we can do main. See, the address has been changed. First it was 8048360, now 804.698. So here you can see the main function at that address. After that, if we want to disassemble the code, we can do PDF for that, and here we can see, or there is another way we can use the graph view or visual mode. For this we can do capital V, right? And from, if we use P, if we just click, then it will change the mode. Here you can see 804.804.8486. So we are at current here. So let me show you the function. So if I go at 128.196, let's do enter, then you can see the function inside here. So if you want to go back, you can just do U, or you can just do shift V for the visualize mode. It's like Idea Pro. I'm gonna use R2 alert file, and let me just clear the screen. And this is a new file, so I'm just gonna demonstrate what we have learned. So I can do analyze this file. After analyzing, we can see the string by IJet. So here we have access granted, access denied, and login. Our end goal is to get access granted. Basically, now we are going to print this. So for that, I have to do pd1 add, and I have to copy this address. Let me just copy this. Let's paste it. Here we have the cross reference function called sym.result string access denied. This is string access granted. So after that, I can see the reference point. For that, I have to do axt add string that includes all, and let's do enter. So basically, we are seeing this string with its function. So here you can see the function called sym.result, which is called by this string, right? So now we are going to look at this function. So I can do sym.result. So I can do tap for the auto completion, and let's do enter. So I have enter on that function. So I could just do PDF for showing the disassembly, and let's do enter. So we have the basic call function that's put, and we have the access denied. Nothing much is going on, so I could just see the cross reference. So I can do axt, and let's do enter. So this function is being called from here, so I can just do copy this, and let's get inside the function, and I could see the disassembly. For that I have to do PDF. Let's do enter. So I have this string compare. Here is a function for that, and string has been compared. So basically here is our password, which is a Joshua, and so basically it's on hex. So we convert that into string, and the logic behind this is, so basically we are comparing the string, right? So this is our password, these are two variable, and we are trying to compare that with input. And so here is our access denied. If it's equal to, then it will end here. If not, by this arrow we can see it's gonna be on access denied. Before that logic, before comparing, and we can just do capital V for that, and I could just change it by P, right? Let's do enter. So I could just be on this function, and thank you guys.